Welcome to the show. I hope you're having a good time.
Try me, try me, try me, darling, tell me I need you. Try me, try me, try me, and your love will always be true. Oh, I need you. I need you. Hold me, hold me, hold me. I want you right here by my side. Hold me, hold me, hold me, and your love we wanna hide. Oh, I need you.
The 1941 Dodge WC-6 reconnaissance command car made before World War II started in May 1941. It took me 2 years to restore it, and I want to thank the guy who gave it to me.